Did you buy a lot of pallet pillow and you don't want to leave them on the outside? Then you need one storage unit like this one because it's what I need to store the pillows and everything I have here, because I don't want to leave it like there because the sun and the rain otherwise is going to damage it. I have bought this on LEROY Merlin. It's the Conqueror model and the brand is NATERIAL. First we are going to review it and then we are going to see how to mount it. You can also use it to hide the garbage or to store your mechanic tools like the weed eater or other garden tools. This is fully made out of plastic and costs around 108 euros. We can put one lock here and other here to keep the thing safe and don't allow the people to get the stuff. We are going to see how to open it. Okay. Very interesting. It has a piston there to help keep the door open and to make the release not super fast. Okay, like this is properly closed. Let's open it. It has two doors that you can open using this bar here. Okay, the other door. So this is how it looks open. We have plenty of space inside to store stuff. Okay, we close the door. What I found that doesn't work very well is this thing, because not all the time, if it's not in the exact position, it doesn't grab the door, the roof door. Okay, it has some height from the floor, so when it rains, if there is a bit of rain in the floor, it's not going to get inside. All the plastic are quite hard, except for the back one that is a little bit weaker. Okay, I don't know why they put a wicker there, I suppose for the cost. Okay, there is it with all the pillows from the pallet sofa. They fit very well here. Now I can close. Okay. And keep them safe from sunlight and from the rain. Right. You can put two bins of 240 liters. This is almost 500 liters of capacity. Then it's rain and sun resistant. It can be mounted quickly and you don't need tools or paint. Here you have the measures. Very simple. We place it like this until we hear the click. And now the other one. Check. Should look like this. Like this is wrong. Like this. Now I have to put these two pieces together. One like this with the arrows on the top. This one. This backwards. Okay, and we are going to put the holes together. Okay, and we need to put now 5 screws there. Okay, there is no hole, no problem. We just put it there. Okay, all 5 screws in position. Arrows down to the interior, arrows up to the exterior, like this. Okay, here we have the arrows to the top, the exterior part, and the arrows to the bottom in the interior part. Now we have to place this bar here. Okay, let's see in detail. Okay, first let's insert this side. Okay, like this. And now we go to the other side. Let's put this one first. Make sure it's completely. And now there is another one here that we should also put. Okay, we should put more screws here in this side. Okay, like this is not correct. Make sure the plastic is like this, okay, when you put the screw. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 screws on each side. Don't tie them too much, we don't need to tie them. And the same on the other side. Don't forget the 6 screws on the bottom. Okay, the roof. Let's insert first this thing, and then we need to put 4 screws. One screw will go here and the other one here. Okay, now we need to place the pistons on the roof. We are going to place it right there. The good thing is that the screws are the same for everything, so you don't mess up with the screws. Okay, now both are installed. Okay, now we need this piece here and 2 screws, and we are going to put it right there in the roof. Okay, there we have. And now we need to put the roof there. In theory this should be done by 2 people, but I'm going to try to do it alone. I don't know why you need 2 people to do that. Okay, we put the piston there and the other piston there, and now we have to put 2 screws here on each piston. Okay, that was easier than I thought. Okay, we are going to insert this piece here. Okay, like this, and now this piece here. And now we have to put 3 screws. Now we need to put these pieces on the top of the doors. They are marked as a left and right. We should put the right in the right door and the left in the left door. Now we can install the door. So first, let's put this part in this hole. And now we insert here until we listen the click. Okay. Okay, now we are going to install this piece on the door. Make sure to put the hole on this side because there is no hole on the other side. Okay, now we have to mount these 2 pieces. We insert like this, and we do it like this until we listen the click. And now we have to put 2 screws and put it in the right door. We have finished with the installation. I don't know what is going to happen with the pallets so fast and the humidity that there is here. Maybe I cannot keep them on winter, but for summer I don't think it's going to be a problem. I will see it and I will post something on the Instagram or in the description of this video. Did you like the sofas pallets? Then you have to take a look to the video and see how I build them. Apart from that, there is an option. If you put one of these containers, you can attach one chain that came in the kit, so when you open the top door, the roof, the containers will open also. And also you have the option to put shelf that didn't came in the kit. Here you have the measures for the shelf you need, and here are the two ways you can put the locks. Another option is to secure the container to the ground. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next video.